able to make a product catalog. Here, for example, let's say I have a tack store for my horses. And so we have, this is my opening page. Then we click on the enter button. And then you go to the saddles. Now, these pictures are just one picture that has been copied. If you were going to have this online so that people could see it, I would suggest you link it to the current inventory that you have in stock, pictures of that. But in this situation, I would probably be emailing this out, so linking it would not be appropriate. So you'd have to copy pictures right in. So this is a picture that's been copied in, so you can just move it around. Now, I have also linked these arrow buttons. So we go to the next one, and then you get to see blankets. And you can go back and you could see saddles again. And then again, you could go to the tack or the grooming supplies here. Now, once again, this is just one picture that has been copied over, but you would normally have products, you would normally have a number of products on each page. And here we go back, and we're going back to the blankets, and we go back to the saddles, and then we go back to the home page. So let me show you how I did this. So here's the same page, but I haven't got anything hooked up yet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to link this button so that I have got these, my sheets named. I've got store, saddles, blankets, grooming. And so let's go right click on the graphic. Now I have inserted this, I've gone insert, and I have gone illustrations. And then I've selected shapes for my going between the pages. Okay, so we're going to right click on this, and we're going to go link. And then what we're going to do is we're going to link to a place in this document. So it's trying to suggest you go to a web page, but you're not. You're trying to go to this document. And then it gives you the different sheets that you have named here. So I want to go to saddles and say okay. And so now this is, you're able to go to saddles. Now let's right click again on this and we'll go link, and we'll go to blankets and say okay. And let's try this out and see if we go to blankets, and we go to blankets, and then we're going to right click on this and go to grooming. Okay, so that's how you do your arrows, and you obviously just do the back arrows the same way. Is you would right click and go to link, and you'll go to blankets here. The other thing that I've done so that it doesn't look like an Excel sheet is you're going to drop down the list arrow at the end of there, and you're going to go to full screen mode. The full screen mode makes you look like you have a professional product catalog here. Please subscribe.